When my daughter got really into pressing flowers, I wanted to get her a gift that would help her do it with a larger scale. But was there a kit that came with everything she would need? Would they actually dry flat without warping? Could she take it with her when she was out and about? And would it fit enough flowers? My favorite part about this kit, it is bigger than most presses, so she can do a lot more at one time. And because it had the thick basswood plates, it provided even pressure, and they did dry flat, preserving their shape as she layered them in. And super easy to use. You start with a wooden plate and the bolts on the bottom, then cardboard, and then the blotting papers. They are more of like a cotton texture, nice and thick. They go above and below the flowers and are designed for moisture. And then one more layer of your cardboard, and you can stack this. This one comes up to 10 pieces. And at the end, once you have all of your layers, you just keep repeating. Then you put the wood on the top. The top just slides over the bolts in the four corners. And once you have them in place, you have some wing nuts and washers. You tighten them down, and then you want to let it sit for approximately a week until they have dried and flattened. I also love this kit. Comes with a lot of stainless steel tools. You've got your tweezers. This is a needling tool that goes under those delicate flowers and helps lift them or flatten them. Your scissors and your knife. This is a blade that's pretty sharp, but it does come with a safety feature that I do like. And in case you can't remember all the steps, it does come with a nice thick booklet that walks you through the process and gives lots of hints and tips along the way. And can you take the kit with you? Yes, it comes with an included nylon carrying bag, so you can slide everything in, take it out to the fields with you, gather everything you want, and bring it home and let it rest. So what am I most impressed with? I love the larger pressing surface. I love it has more layers for bulk pressing. I love the thick wood for the pressure, all in one kit. It's suitable for any kind of a wedding or special event or a memorial, a perfect gift for any DIYers or flower lovers like us. Quality materials, a simple way to preserve flowers. Instead of letting everything bloom and fade away, you can turn them into lasting art and keepsakes. I'm really pleased with this kit overall. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful in your buying decision, please give this a like so I know to make more videos like this.